Hey there, Samantha with Empower Performance Therapy. Did you know low back pain can be caused by tight hip flexors? Those muscles actually attach on the low back before they wind forward to the front of the hip. And with cyclists, obviously those muscles get really incredibly tight. And I've been having a bit of an issue with low back pain the past couple of days. So got a little magic trick for you to try. It's a fun little game to play, I promise. So foam roller, tennis ball. Stack the two on top of each other, mash right into those tendons. So without being too ugly here, we are going to take ball, foam roller, and then you want to get it right up, kind of in the belly, right above the crest of the hip. Lay it down. You'll find a nice tight spot there, and then just relax over the top of it. Give yourself about 20 seconds or so. There we go. And yeah, you're gonna love it. I promise. A little Thursday training secret from Empower Performance Therapy. Train empowered.